Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can you predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. So I started my last session and these are the results of the last session. So here I only lost one and I secured myself one or two times also in the trading. So let's analyze the market and I want to get more and more ITMs. Okay, so now you can see here the market movement is very good here. So here let me see the market. Okay, now the first thing we need to do is we need to analyze the market like this. Now you can see the market is making this pattern. This is the seller's area and this will be the buyer's area. Okay, so now in this situation market always makes retracement candles. Okay, so now let me see what's going on here. Okay, so because of this candle, this is a dark cloud and an uptrend, so if this candle comes down I will go with the sellers confidently. So if it is not coming down I can go with the buyers as a sign of continuation. You can see here I have taken my trade in an upside. So why I took my trade? Because of the strong momentum, because of the single seller, again a buyers entered. So what does it mean? It means that sellers are not interested here. Sellers are not interested here. Buyers are showing the weakness, but the next reversal area is here, so there is a gap. So because of the gap the market will go up and will close as a bullish. Okay, so I will take minimum trades, but I want to explain them why we are taking the trades. Okay, it has to close as a green candle. So now you can see I won my first trade here. Okay, so this was my first trade. So let's analyze the market here. Okay, so now if I analyze the market I can go, I haven't changed the amount, but no worries, I'm taking trades as per my prediction. You can see here we are getting the rejections from this point. You can see here this is the area. So what does it mean? It means that, okay, so here I also got an ATM, so no issues. I want to continue with $20. Okay, now you can see I took my trade, which was my last trade, in a down direction, and that was ATM. So you can see my prediction was right and the next candle is also going down here. Okay, so here the asset is closed. Okay, I need to do my trading like this. So now here you can see that I can confidently go with the buyers from this point. Okay, I have taken my trade in an up direction, so the next candle will also go up and close as a bullish. here you can see that as I predicted the next candle is also going up. So this is the way we can trade, and I will continue my trading after almost after 5 minutes. Okay, so I will pause my video here after this ITM. Okay. Okay, so again I'm back. So okay, I want to show you why I took my trade here. You can see here the market movement, it is going like this, and in this way the candles will not respect the SNR levels. Okay, so therefore the candle went up, and again the candles are going up. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now if okay, this is a confusing area for me, but okay, let's see what happens. Again I can go with the buyers. Why I took my trade in an up direction, you can see here. Here you can see a round number right now. Okay, but the exact round number is here in an up area. So you can see there is a gap, a strong candle, so the candle will continue. Your round number is here, you can see this line. So market is not touched the level right here, so it may go up and it may close like this. So let's see what happens for me. I will get an ATM or ITM. Okay, so again I can go with the buyers. Okay, so again I can go with the buyers. Why? Again a same logic, candle closed here, again I got a doji candle. So now again this is the round number, so because of this round number there is a gap, so candle has to at least touch this area and it can reverse again. So let's see what happens. Okay, so right now I am again getting an ATM here. Okay, so now I can leave this market right now. Again I need to go. Okay, now I only need a new high here to take an up trade. I only need a new high here. If I got a new high, I will confidently go in an up direction. So let's see, but right now the movement is showing me that the trend is now finished here. This trend is finished here. Now it is going like this. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, a new high, so again I can go with the buyers confidently. So now if I analyze the market here, you can see here the sellers are here, so there is a gap and I will win my trades here also. Okay, so here you can see that I took my trade and candle is going up, and you can see my history here. I am only getting okay, from this point I started my